Do you want to learn how to make salmon that is so sweet, smoky, and delicious that it literally flakes off your fork? Well, all you need is a wooden plank and a hot grill. Today, we're going to show you how to make cedar plank salmon. Hey there, what's up you guys? I'm Jerry and welcome back to the show, The Chicago Griller. As I said in the opening roll, today we're going to be grilling up some cedar plank salmon. Now, today's recipe was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers, Sam the Cooking Guy. And he's one of my favorite because he uses this all the time. What's this? It's Japanese mayo. Now what you're going to want to do is hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, then meet me on the back patio and I'll show you how it's done. Today, I am starting out with 2 salmon fillets. These are standard size fillets you get at a grocery store. As you can see, these fillets have the skin on. You could get them with the skin off if you'd like. But back to these in a second. The first thing you need to do is soak your cedar plank in a pan of water. It's going to float, so you're going to want to push it down into the water, then weigh it down with a heavy pan. While that's soaking, let's prepare the topping for the salmon. Here we have equal parts chopped parsley, chopped green onion, and some dill. Combine all 3 ingredients in a small bowl. There we go. And I forgot to bring a spoon out here, so I'm just going to go shake this bowl a little bit and mix it around with my finger. Hopefully my hands are clean. And now we are back to the salmon. Let's start by seasoning it with some salt. And we're going to grind the salt to taste. And if we're using salt, of course we are using some ground pepper. So go ahead and grind the pepper to taste. Next up is the secret ingredient, Japanese mayonnaise. This is a little bit sweeter than regular mayonnaise, but we're going to just squeeze a strip across on each fillet. And you know it's good because the bees are coming out. Shoo, shoo. In between takes, I ran inside and grabbed a spoon, and I'll go ahead and spread the mayonnaise evenly across the surface of each salmon fillet. And now I'm going to go back and grab my forest of green onion, parsley, and dill, and lay this liberally on top of each salmon fillet as well. Just get both salmon fillets covered in this forest. There we go, looks pretty good already. This can go on the grill as is, but I did promise cedar plank salmon, so let's go get our cedar plank that has been soaking in water. And here it is. And now I'm going to carefully transfer each fillet onto the cedar plank. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. A perfect fit. What's going to happen is the moisture and the aromas from the cedar plank is going to rise and infuse into our salmon when we put it on the grill. So off to the grill we go. And here we have our trusty Weber Q preheated to medium. We're going to go ahead and place the cedar plank with the salmon directly on the grill. And shut the lid, and we're going to cook this for about 12 minutes. I love making cedar plank salmon because it's super low maintenance. You don't even have to turn it. All you have to do is check the temperature as you get close to time. So after 12 minutes, I am looking for a temperature of 140 degrees or about 60 degrees Celsius. And I am a little bit short of that here, but that's okay. The salmon will come up to temperature after a little bit of rest. But another way you could check for doneness is just grab a fork and see if the salmon flakes. If it flakes off easily, just like this, the salmon is ready. So, since the salmon's ready, I'm going to grab a giant spatula and safely remove this hot wooden plank off of this grill. And naturally, since I'm having a little bit of trouble here, I'm going to use a fork to complement this giant spatula and pull this off the grill. So check it out. That's how you do it. Cedar plank salmon made on a Weber Q. Serve this up with some greens and your favorite wine, and you've got yourself a simple and low-maintenance summer meal. You're definitely going to want to try this. And that's it. That is how you can grill up cedar plank salmon on your Weber Q or any other gas grill. Let me know in the comment section down below if you plan on trying out this recipe, or if you have, let me know how it went. Thank you very much as always for watching today. If you enjoyed this program, definitely hit that like button, comment, or subscribe. And of course, as usual, if you have the time, check out some of the other great videos and recipes that I have on my channel. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you all again next time. Bye.